met with a patient yesterday who was coming to see me about some revision options after she had an augmentation breast reduction combination. So I thought I'd talk a little bit about that today. My name is Elisa Stein. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. So the patient that I met with had gone in for a breast reduction surgery, meaning she was trying to lift and reduce the size of her breasts because they were bottom heavy or weighing her down from the bottom, causing her breasts to look stretched out and elongated. She was interested in having everything lifted, made smaller, but in order to do that, she needed a breast implant placed to help increase or enhance the fullness of her upper breast. So that's a pretty common thing that we'll see. We'll see patients moving breast tissue from the lower part of their breast and then wanting to have something like an implant to fill in the upper part. The recovery is a little bit different, very similar incisions, but if we go behind the muscle for the breast reduction, behind the muscle for the breast augmentation portion, that'll be an additional recovery that you wouldn't have had in a regular breast reduction. So that may add some time for you to be out of activities, to be more careful with heavy lifting and wear your compression bra. So after a breast reduction, I have my patients wearing a compression bra, which is like a tight sports bra, for several weeks after surgery. During those first 3 weeks, they're restricted in their activities, meaning no submerging in a pool, hot tub, ocean, etc., and no heavy straining or lifting at the gym. After that 3-week mark, we check their incisions to see how things are healing. If things are going as expected, they'd be able to start resuming their activities at that time. I do recommend that after any type of breast surgery, long-term, you wear some type of compressive sports bra when you're going to be more active. That helps maintain the position of all the changes that we just did for you and keeps things perkier and in place for longer.